Hey guys, Jason's here. We all know you guys are professional magicians. You can guess a secret from the traders. When we make the traders, we try to use the least amount of time to show the best part of the effect. With that being said, many times we won't be able to show the entire thing. That's why I'll perform the entire thing directly to the camera so you guys can decide whether or not this one's for you. Alright guys, check it out. So we're gonna start by a deck of cards. I respect that. Please say stop anytime you like. Right here, perfect. Take the card, show to the camera, tell them what we have. Awesome. Now, let me borrow both of your hands actually. Just keep your hands here. Keep one hand up, one hand down like that. Perfect. Don't move. No, open them up. Open them up. Perfect. Now just sandwich the card. Do not move. Keep it like this. Don't move. Okay. Now we're gonna take another card. I don't know. It doesn't actually matter. So maybe. How about let's just take this one. The 10 of hearts. Great cards. Okay. Now I'm gonna do something with the 10. I'm gonna slowly make a mark of my card. So I'm actually gonna rip the corner off like that. Okay. Now keep in mind. I made a mark on my card. This 10 of hearts has ripped the corner off. Okay, you have your cards. Now a lot of people think when I do this, I do some funny business. How about this? I'm gonna leave the entire cards on the floor. I can't even touch it. Check it out. Do not blink your eyes. And use my energy. Just it looks like it restored, but it's actually not. You actually just switch positions with your card. Have a look inside your hand. And you can flip this one over too. It's actually the 10 of hearts I just made a mark.